My 2 minute conviction today is about forgiveness, and it's inspired by that quote. Marianne Williamson, an American author, who says, "Unforgiveness is like drinking poison and hoping the other person's going to die." And so often we don't think of this in workplace teams as being a crucial element of culture and connectedness, but forgiving others is essential because there are so many times where we get offended and hurt at work that leaders and teams need to practice forgiveness. And so my 2 minute conviction is forgiveness is more for you than it is for the other person. And there's so many studies on the power of letting go the hurts that tend to hold you back and burden you. In fact, there was one study that showed that people who are more ready to forgive have a lower blood pressure and a longer lifespan than those who carry grievances. And so here's just a couple of quick thoughts that I find helpful when I'm trying to forgive quickly in the workplace. Number one, really clarify the situation that has made me upset. Try and describe it in objective terms rather than let the feelings carry me to a place I shouldn't go. So if I can put a real definitive set of facts around what has upset me, it normally helps me deal with them on an individualized and compartmentalized basis. The second thing is to recognize the grievance story I often tell about upsets. So normally I ascribe a motivation to the person, or I read too much between the lines and I infer things that I can't factually support. And it feeds my sense of injustice and victimhood. And so if I can rewrite that grievance story to just settle on the facts, it makes me far more ready to forgive for whatever's happened. And thirdly, choose your feeling, choose your response. You know, I think feelings so often catch us by surprise, and we don't opt in on our feelings on purpose. They happen, they bubble up. And if you give yourself permission to choose to feel okay about certain things, or to let go, or to take the more positive approach, it's amazing how quickly it can lead you to a better place, and one of being willing to forgive. It doesn't mean that people and the hurts that you suffer aren't real, but my gosh, forgiveness helps you. And so there's my 2 minute conviction. I hope this week, as you think about life in teams and families, you can forgive quickly. Have a great week.